Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start with a 30-second permission opener and identify the decision maker quickly. Use a friendly tone and state your name, company, and purpose. Confirm budget range and timeline with one direct question early in the call. Ask open questions that take less than 10 seconds to answer. Set a clear 15-minute agenda and ask if that works for the prospect. Explain outcomes you will cover in 3 parts so they can decide faster. Lead with a concise value statement that states savings or benefit in dollars or time. Deliver a short case example that lasted 6 weeks and saved $500. Use a brief demonstration of the core feature and offer a single clear price or package. Ask 2 qualifying questions and paraphrase objections before responding with a solution. Keep responses under 20 seconds and focus on outcomes, not features. To maintain attention, use a 3-option close and recommend the best option with a clear next step. Ask for the decision with a direct question and offer to e-sign the form now. If they hesitate, propose a trial or limited pilot for 30 days at a fixed price. Confirm timing, follow-up method, and send Form 1099 or contract within 24 hours after agreement. Close by summarizing benefits and agreed actions, then thank them and end the call politely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.